Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool neon sticker on CapCut PC. So I just have this one and I'm going to actually overlay like some colors on top, but you don't have to do this. I'm just going to overlay this one. Can I put that? Oh my gosh, I have not, hold on. Let me modify this first into a free layer. There we go. And I'm just going to go to blend mode and I'm just going to find one that matches with the video. Well, the sticker, I guess. So I'm just going to choose darken for it, actually, like that. Then I'm going to go to effects and you're going to add in the edge glow like this. And that's pretty much it. You can adjust the glow if you want it to make it more glowy. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. It's that simple, if I'm being honest. You can kind of like adjust it more. You can add like neon outline too, but I don't really like the effect that much with it. Like, look how, okay, I don't really like it with it. And you can also add in the angel one if you'd like to like just make it a little bit brighter. Here you can adjust the strength, of course. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.